generative AI projects we did here, we're looking at improving programs, look at improving our operations, being more efficient. But what we're really about is creating greater access to bachelor's level education for students who in the past have not had that access. So that's what we're really about. We're also about focusing our programs on education and skills that lead to good paying jobs.
We utilize those tools to address a new opportunity for our commercial aviation program. We were able to conduct research on accreditation opportunities, requirements, and the standards that other commercial aviation programs have across the country. How can we make our program more competitive and marketable across the country for students who would be interested in this program? We were able to utilize those tools to identify gaps within our programs, areas that we could improve. It identified those for us, and we were also able to utilize the creative problem-solving strategies to address items within our curriculum, to address our business practices, and to really align our program with national and accredited standards to make sure that we're in a much better position than we were 6 months ago. Our biggest advantages is being here in the greater Memphis area is our proximity to an international airport, which many of our competitors do not have, and as well as our relationship with FedEx, which employs many pilots and have many different aspects of commercial aviation with all their operations. So we're able to provide our students access to these opportunities while they're completing their program of study, which really helps set our program apart.
I know a lot of schools are talking about applied AI, but we are going full bore in that, and our emphasis is on, again, access, meaning focusing on the tools, giving the fundamental knowledge to use the tools without requiring a lot of programming or higher level mathematics.
This project is actually giving us the opportunity to learn a lot of different tools, AI tools, to leverage, because there are many different tools which are good in different things to do. Some are good in coding, some are good in content generation, some are good in video generation. So through this project, we learn how to leverage whatever is my intention and then which one to use efficiently.
A lot of people say these applied AI tools are the great democratizers of technology, and I believe that. So we're trying to teach people how to use the tools to create opportunities for themselves and their organizations.
The tool I developed is actually, I will use this backup tool to teach my students, because during the classroom, many students don't pay attention, or they are tired, they are not really able to focus. So they can go home and look back what was taught today, and they can refresh their mind in their own time. This will enhance their productivity, that they don't have to rely on me always. They can do some research on their own, and I can see what they are learning, because at the end of each topic and module there is some question for assessment, and then this keeps tracks of it. So it's really very useful tool for me as an instructor.
We're not bending the mold, we're breaking it. And it's the amount of access to non-traditional learners, students that haven't had access in the past, is going to be so great. That's where I think our advantage is. I think we've developed very powerful ways to grant credit for all sorts of learning experiences. We're going to take the credit from these applied technology programs and give you credit for that educational experience. And it's not just one program to one program or one course to course. It's multiple programs that we're going to do that for.